In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram best hidden feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. There are so many features that you can go ahead and look at. The first is going to be hidden chats. So you can actually hide private chats from your chat list. All you need to do is head into your settings and then head into your privacy and security, hidden chats, and you can add a new chat. You can also message schedule, or you can also schedule messages to be sent later. Simply tap and hold on the send button, and that is going to go ahead and give you the date, the year, the time, and AM or PM. You can simply go ahead and select here. There's also self-destructor or self-destruct timer that you can simply go ahead and set a messages to auto delete for more privacy. When it comes to messages, you can also have a silent message, so send a message without notification sound. You can also go ahead and pin important chats, as you can see I have done right over here for the quick access. There's also a folder of chats or folder for chats that you can simply go ahead and customize. You can also edit the sent messages. You can save messages, files, and links in your saved messages tab. And you can also go ahead and translate messages, translate any message instantly. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.